Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today's market update for June 24, 2020. If you look at on the left side here, that's the SPY daily chart. As you can see that the last couple of days, the market was stuck into the sideways correction. So you can see that they put up, they come down, they put up, they come down. So this is a nature of summer market. So you have to be a little bit careful here. So right now, you see that last week, on this day, the institution they come in, they push it back up. So right now, the the bear cam they try to push it back down. So this is the level that we have to watch careful. If the market is to be able to hold on to this level and then bounce back up, and we have to have a chance for the market to go higher. But if the market attack this low, then we have to watch out more careful because we will see more downside coming in the next couple of weeks. So right now, we have a strong support at this level. As long as they hold on to the blue box here, the market is still okay. As long as $300 level here will be whole, then the market can rebound. Other than that, we have to be a little bit cautious to see where the market is heading to. And in the shorter time frame, on the right side here, that's the SPY 60-minute chart. So this morning, when the market open, they gap down below the moving average so that they show some type of weakness. So the market it continue to go down. They hit to the support, they try to rebound, couldn't do it, and then continue to slam it down. So right now, at the end of the day, the market is trying to make another bearish flag here. So let's see tomorrow, the market that if they break below here, and then they can get here. But if tonight and the market be able to come back and get above this one here, and then the market will find a way to go back up. So that's the check for the SPY. If you look at the E-mini future, as you can see, they push it back up, so they stuck into the parallel channel here. So as long as it will hold on to this level here, the market will be able to bouncing back and forward between the upper bound and lower bound here. So this is a very important level here because this is a long uptrend support here. So as long as they can stay above this line here, and then the market is still be able to push it back up. But if they come down, they took this level, they push it back down, and then we have to watch out for the level down below here. So on the short time, on the 60-minute chart, on the E-mini future, you can see that the market is still continue to make a low high, low low here. So as long as okay they hold up here, so they hit to the top, they come to the bottom, they hold up. If overnight the market be able to push it back up, then we will see a different story in the morning. So let's see how the market lay out, and then we will go from there. So overall, market is still in a sideways correction, as you can see here. If you look at a lot of stock, okay, like Apple today, they still after they run up to the all-time high, they pull back, so they tuck right to the support here, and the big guy like QQQ, you can see that after yesterday, they go here, they give you a shooting star candle, and then now they pull back down, so they right at the support. So let's see where they're going to go tomorrow. So a lot of index to try to hold on to it. Like the Dow, they come back down, they get the support, they try to rebound. Let's see how far they can go. Same thing right now, and the Nasdaq, they also hold up pretty well and try to find a way back. And the Russell 2000, they come down to the low bow here, and then they hold up. Let's see how far that they can come back to the top of a parallel channel or not. So gold is surprising this morning. They have been trying to get back to the sell zone here a couple of times. They all fail. They hit the all-time high here. They build a sell zone here. They fail when they get back there. And today they try another attempt to pass through it, couldn't do it, and then they fail again. So right now they are still in the correction. Uh, the only one that is successful that bow back today, that's the bond. because the market dropped, so the bond took advantage of it, so they go issue the backup. But again, they hit right into the sell zone here. So let's see, are they be able to go higher or they will slam it down again? And the oil, after they run up for a last couple of days, they also hit to the resistance, so they go sideways right now. So we uh, have to see that they be able to bow back right into the support area here or not. All right, so that's all I have for you today, and let's see how the market lay out tomorrow, and then so please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So every time we have a new video, we will update for you so that you know where the market is heading to, and give me a thumb up every single time. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.